The Treasure Coast Woodturners Guild has two events coming up where we'll be making tops for kids. We'll have a demonstration at Langford Park in Jensen Beach in February, and then all day, every day at the St. Lucie County Fair in March. So we took big maple, cut it into these planks, and club members took them to their shops, and we all have homework to turn these planks into dowels so we can have them on hand for making our tops. My homework assignment included about 10% of all the planks that we cut. So you put all these things together, and I think we're going to have a pretty good inventory for our upcoming events. So when I've got my rhythm, I can cut one of these little tops out in about a minute to 2 minutes maybe, and we let the kids choose a couple colors. And we'll make hundreds of these things during the fair, so I'm just practicing up here.